Hello, myself Manjunatha. My startup company is Univentures and my product is Jockey. And in future it is called as Tech Jockey. Let us know more details. Mentioning some of requirements and feelings about the product has set by the customers during empathizing activity. First, empathizing is the jockey are equipped with the sensors to monitor environmental condition to the adjust with installation with action accordingly. It means that jackets are equipped with the sensors and empathize too. They can use technologies like phase change materials, electronic seating, and the smart fabric and maintain comfortable. It is also comfortable. And third, empathizing is the temperature for the wearable regardless of external weather conditions. Examples such as including jackets with built heating and pads, and with it can handle by the smartphone with app. It is handled by the app also based on empathizing stress, considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, are many features be added. If you wanted to add any features, and it can be added. An existing product name is Jacket, and future product name is Strict Jacket. Some of the additional features to be added mentioned by the customer. There were smart fibers, insulation materials, electronic components, and the second one is design. It should be design and the prototyping and fabrication testing, and the control software algorithms, and third one is battery and the power management. It should be power management, safety features, and the operations such as considering you were stepping outside on the chilling morning, the jackets detect the cold temperatures and the activity heating as well the warm-ups and temperature control. This is the photo of Trend Tech jacket in future. In the proto stage, the real working model has been manufactured due to the time constraint. The monitor advised to draw sketch. Sketch is given below. This is the sketch. I request viewer to present the video to comment. You can comment you will add comments below the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Link and subscribe. One bit there.